Imagine strapping yourself into a spacecraft, firing up the engines, and suddenly zooming through space at 299,792 kilometers per second, the speed of light, faster than anything we've ever dreamed of. What would happen to your body, your surroundings, even time itself? It's funny, in Islamic history there's this famous event called the Miraj, the night journey of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He was taken across the heavens and back in a single night. To believers, it was a divine miracle that bent the very fabric of time and space, and in a way, science is only starting to scratch the surface of what such a journey might actually mean. So let's talk science for a second. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, nothing with mass can actually reach light speed. Why? Because the faster you go, the heavier you effectively become. To hit light speed, your mass would be infinite, and so would the energy needed to move you. Scientists have tested this in particle accelerators. At CERN, they push protons to 99.999999% of light speed, and even then, it takes insane amounts of energy just to nudge them a tiny bit faster. It is like trying to push a car that keeps getting heavier the harder you push at light speed. You're basically trying to push infinity, so technically, humans can't reach it. But let's imagine, just for fun, what if we could? One of the weirdest effects would be on time itself. Einstein showed us that time slows down the faster you go, and this isn't just theory, it's been tested. Our GPS satellites, which orbit Earth at high speeds, tick slightly slower than our clocks on the ground. Scientists have to constantly adjust them so your phone doesn't tell you you are standing in the middle of the ocean when you are actually at home. Now imagine this effect multiplied millions of times. At near light speed, a single hour for you on the ship could mean years, decades, even centuries passing on Earth. You'd basically be time traveling into the future, and this is where the Miraj comes to mind again. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was taken across the heavens, seeing incredible sights, yet when he returned, barely any time had passed on Earth. For believers, it was a miracle beyond physics. For scientists, it's a fascinating reminder that time itself isn't fixed, it bends. Okay, so you're at light speed. What does space even look like? Here's where things get wild. The stars ahead of you would shift to a blinding blue that's called blue shift, where light compresses as you rush toward it. Behind you, darkness. Light literally can't catch up. Physicists call this relativistic beaming. The universe would appear to collapse into a bright tunnel in front of you. Imagine the whole cosmos squeezed into a dazzling spotlight, while everything else fades into black. And that makes me think of how the Quran describes the Miraj as a journey of wonders, sights that human eyes could barely imagine. Science says the same thing. At light speed, the view wouldn't be like anything we've ever seen before. But hold on, it's not all cosmic beauty. At light speed, you're in the danger zone. Space isn't empty, it's full of dust and particles. Normally harmless, but at this speed, even a single grain of dust would smash into your ship, with the force of a bomb on top of that radiation. Cosmic rays would slam into your body with deadly energy. NASA already studies how radiation affects astronauts on the International Space Station, and that's at just 28,000 kilometers per hour. Imagine light speed. You'd need shielding thicker than anything we can build. This is why scientists say, for humans, it's not possible. But that is exactly what makes the Miraj so fascinating. It wasn't bound by human technology or physics. It was divine, and here's the craziest part. Traveling at light speed wouldn't just take you through space. It would fling you into the future. Leave Earth today, travel for just a few years at light speed, and when you return, millions of years might have passed. Civilizations gone, oceans shifted, maybe Earth itself unrecognizable. You'd be a living time traveler, out of sync with everything you knew, and this is why people throughout history have looked at the skies and wondered. Some answers come from science, others from faith. Both point to one truth: the universe is far more mysterious than we can imagine. So what if you could travel at the speed of light? You'd see the universe twisted, time itself stretched, and the future waiting for you on the other side. Maybe that is why journeys like the Miraj still inspire wonder, because they remind us there are realities beyond what physics alone can explain. The question is, if you had the chance to board that light speed ship, Knowing you might return to a world thousands of years in the future, would you go?